Sometimes cooking doesn't need any expertise because with the most basic ingredients like cabbage, you can whip up a very delicious side dish. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy sauteed cabbage recipe, which is going to be loaded with lots of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. And it's going to be a perfect side dish because it's delicious, flavorful, and cooked with the simplest of ingredients. This is the kind of recipe that needs very minimal ingredients and it's going to turn out so awesome. So you'll need half a cabbage that is thinly shredded. I have some spinach, onion, tomato, coriander, 2 seasoning cubes, salt, and cooking oil. You can't miss out trying this recipe because as you've seen, the ingredients are just in your kitchen. So I'm going to get straight into cooking by placing my pan over medium flame. Then I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You need a tiny bit of more cooking oil to make the cabbage very delicious. So 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons is quite enough. It's going to take around 30 seconds for the oil to get hot. So once ready, you're going to add in your onion. And as your onions are cooking, you're going to be adding in 2 beef seasoning cubes, which you can substitute with vegetable seasoning cube to make the recipe vegan friendly. And this step is very important when it comes to adding in flavor because the seasoning cubes are going to cook together with the onions and get very flavorful. So you're going to stir in and cook together with the onions for around a minute until the onions get a golden brown color. The aroma in your kitchen is going to get so nice after adding in the seasoning cubes. So I'm going to stir as the onions are cooking, watching so that I don't have dark bits of onion in my cabbage. When the onions are ready, you're going to add in 2 tomatoes. Adding in a brown color to your onions is going to add in a very nice onion flavor to your cabbage. So just watch as the onions are cooking because you don't want the onions to get too dark. The seasoning cubes contain a little bit of salt. So I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients. Then I'm going to be checking the seasoning. If it's not perfect, I'll throw in some more salt. But the beef seasoning cubes add in a very nice signature taste to your cabbage, which is always delicious. Spinach is a superfood because it's loaded with minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium, vitamins like vitamin A, C, and K, which means that spinach is a healthy veggie to cook. And it doesn't require a lot of cooking because in around a minute or 2, the spinach is going to cook down. So we are going to start off by adding our cabbage once the tomatoes are ready. Shredding your cabbage doesn't require a lot because if you have a sharp knife, you'll get the thinnest shredded cabbage ever. So once done adding in your cabbage, you're going to use your spatula, bring the flames to medium, then you're going to stir your cabbage as it's cooking. And as you can see, the sauce is looking so good. When it comes to cooking leafy green vegetables and cabbage, don't cover using a lid because the veggies are going to drain water so fast. Hence, they're going to turn out very soggy. Within a minute or 2, you notice that your cabbage is wilting down and cooking together with a delicious, flavorful sauce. You'll continue to stir the cabbage as it's cooking, and the cooking time is going to be around 3 to 4 minutes at most. And at this point, you're going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in some more salt. When the cabbage is fully wilted down, you're going to add in your spinach. Stir in your spinach and make sure it's fully distributed into the cabbage, just like this. And because you don't want to lose all the nutrients in the spinach, once it's fully wilted down just like this, you're going to check the seasoning a final time. If it's not well seasoned, you're going to add in some more salt. And when ready, this is how your cabbage is going to be looking. When everything is ready, you're going to garnish with lots of coriander to add in a very nice flavor to your cabbage. Then you're going to serve. Not overcooked. The spinach also is not overcooked. Everything is perfectly seasoned, and it's a perfect side dish to serve over some rice, some pilau, some biryani, because yeah, you're supposed to be eating your vegetables. So catch you on my next recipe.